Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to discipline yourself. The best way is taking action to be more self-disciplined. Identify specific goals you want to achieve. Then think about obstacles holding you back, such as procrastination or distractions. For example, if you want to become an early riser, pinpoint why late nights are a habit. Use process simulation to imagine yourself completing steps toward your goal rather than the outcome. Incorporate daily meditation or create a vision board for focus. Surround yourself with reminders of your goals to keep them top of mind. Now, make a detailed plan with headings like action, time to begin, potential problems, strategies to overcome problems, and progress report. Use tools like Excel or Notebook to structure this plan. And finally, prepare to take action. Select a realistic start time for your goals. Brainstorm specific steps such as limiting distractions and preparing tools in advance. For example, laying out gym clothes at the night before. Just seek advice from friends or family to refine your action steps and avoid overwhelming yourself by planning tasks you can realistically tackle each day. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.